To do a data transfer from the Trucker Shield portal, you first go to FMCSA Data Transfer. You then select all of the drivers that you want to send. You can search for them. So if we want to send this driver, and then we choose all the vehicles that were associated with them. The date range, so whether it's the last 30 days or you can choose a custom date range. So maybe it's actually the last 3 months. Apply. You would enter in your comment here. If you want to see it for yourself, or you can submit it directly to the FMCSA. So we'll go ahead and click on Submit to FMCSA. Transfer is in progress, and it will let me know when it was complete. We just give it 1 moment here. It is transferring a lot of data because it's transferring 3 months worth of data for one driver, so it does take a bit of time. If you just bear with me while this transfers, I'll be able to show you that it was successful in just a moment here. And as you can see, it was successfully submitted. You can then click OK, and you know that your transfer has gone through.